Alright, we're going to drain some of the oil out of this engine here. Let's see what we get. Holy cow. Coolant, not oil. Wonder how long we're going to have to wait till we start seeing oil. That is pure coolant, folks. Oh boy. Let me see if we start getting some oil out. I'm going to try to get a sample of the actual oil instead of the coolant. If we get any oil out of it. If is a big question. I think I see some oil mixing in there with it. But I don't think there's that much left in it. May not be able to get a sample. We'll just let it drain into the container here and see what we can get. May not be much. But we'll get as much as we can. It resembles oil anyway. Well, this is going to be like watching paint dry, so I'm going to get the sample and get her boxed up. Alright, got the PTU drain plug here, right there. It has a PTU drain plug installed in it. See if I can't get it a little bit looser, and then try to get a sample. This might be a tad bit difficult, but we'll see. Brass plug. The owner did tell me that he installed it, and that's some black stuff. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Let's let it fill up. We'll see what the condition of this PTU is. The fluid is horribly black. Yucky. Smells like the back end of a whatever. It's horrible. But we'll let her fill up and then get a test done. Let the rest of it drain in the drain pan, as they say. I think that's enough. That glug, 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 glug. Drain for a little while. That's horrible. But at least you got a drain plug, right? Now we'll see if this PTU is viable.